Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have the beautiful and useful TCL Flip 4. I would say that this is still not a full upgrade from the TCL Flip 2, one of the best value devices. The TCL Flip 3 updated the device in design and also for the operating system. This one keeps the operating system and a little bit of a similar design. We'll go over the frequently asked questions first, as always. And as you see right there, it is a good performer. It's not the best device out there, but it will work in many situations. So I'm really excited about the possibilities of this device. What I do like is the form factor. It's very nice to hold in the hand. This is a very nice material. It feels less plasticky, so it has a coating that allows you to feel a little bit of a grip in the device as a whole. Now, it does have a camera. It does have a call button or a quick access button, volume rockers on the sides, the speaker, which gets extremely loud, and also a 3.5mm headphone jack. And of course, USB-C, which is greatly appreciated. Now, TCL has included KaiOS here. This is the 4.0 version. So this is the first 4.0 device that we get. It is fast, it is very snappy, and it does come with a few utilities that I don't necessarily prefer, but it just is up to you whether you like them or not. Now, the messaging experience is very straightforward, and you do have the ability to do group text messages pretty easily. You have also, as you see right here, triple click, and you have the ability to do T9. As you see right there on the screen, with the pound key, you can switch to ABC English, 1, 2, 3, or predictive, which allows you to type decently fast. And right there, my name is Jose. And boom, it recognizes pretty much everything. The keys have a really nice rubberized texture, which I appreciate in my testing. You do not miss any key. There is a clear separation from the keys, these four right here, and the D-pad, and the other T9, the 9 keys, and also the favorite key, the messaging key, and the back key. So with T9 available and also triple click, it does come with those utilities. And also now it does have the ability to do copy and paste, which KaiOS did not do very well before. As you see right there, you can bring up the copy and paste selection here with the asterisk. And you can copy and select the text in different instances. So let's go here to hello. I'm going to long press, select and copy your text. And now you can say, okay, I'm going to select this amount of text. I'm going to copy it. And then you can paste it with the star key as well by long pressing it again and saying, okay, I want to paste it. And as you see right there, it says hello again. Now it does also have access to a few extra symbols. When you do not long press, but just press the star key. And there is a wide variety of symbols and also emojis. So if you want to reply to your friends, which also has the ability to do group text messages, there are no issues whatsoever. The call quality is actually impressive. In my opinion, it's one of the best devices that I have been testing lately. It is very loud and clear, and you have access to 2 SIM cards. So you have 1 SIM card, 2 SIM cards, and you have eSIM with 5G functionality available. This device is mainly available right now on T-Mobile. So until we get them unlocked, they will not be serviceable anywhere outside of that area. So T-Mobile is going to be your friend right here. It comes with the KaiOS store. And as you see right here, you have the KaiOS store, which has a lot of utilities for lifestyle, for news, for entertainment. One of my favorite apps, of course, is PodLP, which is one of the best podcasting apps. And you are able to search and listen without any issues. And that speaker, when you're listening, again, I'm going to say it is very loud. You can get it to what it says, 130%. Sorry about that. That was a little bit chaotic, but you can close it. And whenever you're getting to the volume, it says the media, you can get it to 130%, or you can get it lower. And it is very, very adequate. You can put it essentially on a kitchen island or, in a different, maybe nearby room, and you can still hear it. It is actually very, very decent. Now, the device comes with other utilities like a camera, Nothing to see here. Is not going to be amazing. I'm going to be showcasing some samples here for you, but it does also come with a few, games and music. You can also download a better application. I prefer the K Music application, but you can use the default one. It does come with Google Maps. Although it is not turn by turn, you do have the ability to get a few extra kind of like businesses, or if you're looking for a coffee shop, or if you're looking for directions and you just want a list, you will be able to get a list of directions very easily and very useful. It's just to have that voice search. You have the directions. You can go to places of interest, and you're going to be able to see them right there pretty quickly and navigate to them. Again, the navigation is not fully fledged, but you have the ability to get a list and to get orientation, from here and there. Now, everything else is pretty similar to KaiOS 3. If you want to look at the long walkthrough video that I did on the Nokia 2780 a few years ago, I think 2 years ago, I'm going to link that below, and also probably in a card here at the top. But one of the main drawbacks of KaiOS is whenever you're opening third-party applications is that you have a few ads here and there. Whenever you're opening up regular applications, as you see right there, this is one of those examples. When you're opening up non-third-party, so the ones that it comes preloaded with that are not found on the KaiOS store, then you will have no issues. But the ads do get a little bit inconvenient if you're using a lot of those third-party applications. I don't use a lot of them, so I don't have an issue in my testing. But I know if you're downloading something from the store, like even Mocha Radio or Play Music or whatever it is that is health-related, maybe a tracker or yoga poses, you will see some of those things. And that is a little bit of a bummer because you're paying about $79 for this device. So depending on the promotion, I was able to get actually a good deal on Metro PCS. But again, it's one of those things that's just a little bit of a bummer. It does come with a calendar. It does have a lot of the basic functions. If you're looking for a device that is simple to use, you're able to close, you're able to call, it does have good build quality and also a great speaker. For somebody that may have auditory issues, this device performs extremely well. So just know that KaiOS is, it is what it is. It's kind of like what you're looking for. If that's something simple, you're looking for something even more simple, then you can go into different devices. But I will give it a thumbs up. It is a little bit of an upgrade to the KaiOS 3 for sure. I will still prefer the TCL Flip 2, but those are a little bit rarer now, unfortunately, and hopefully they'll come back at some point in time. But as of now, we're kind of stuck with the TCL Flip 4. But I do like a lot of the availability, functionality, and is getting up with the times with 5G, dual SIM, and also eSIM functionality. Having a lot of those things, internet sharing. Again, you can have a little bit of a companion device in this. And the battery life has kept up 3 to 4 days. Very reliable. I think it's a decent device. And if you get it on a promotion like I did, for about $10, I think it's a great performer. So it will make your life a little bit easier, a little bit simpler, no touchscreen, no extra applications, but just the basics to use with KaiOS. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. And thank you for supporting. If you have any questions, make sure to put them in the comments. I'll be interacting with you guys.